Well, I'm sure you think that being sent to Singapore for a few days must be like being on holiday. It isn't. It's hard work, honestly. All that walking about, eating all that food, which I'm doing, of course, in the name of research for you, plays havoc with your stomach. You get headaches sometimes, your feet hurt. And jet lag, that's another problem. Anyway, I mentioned all this to a few people in the city, and they suggested that I come to the Herbal restaurant, which is in downtown Singapore, next to Raffles. And apparently I'm going to see Dr. Lee and an interpreter, because Dr. Lee doesn't speak English, so I'm just waiting for my appointment now.
Mr. Curry, next please.
That's me.
Come in.
Hello.
Hello.
This must be Dr. Lee.
Yes, hi Mark, I'm Paul, your
Hi,
friendly
Paul.
translator.
Yes, hello.
Yes.
Okay, Dr. Lee, I'm fine, you know, I'm really fine. I've just got a bit of a headache.
他說
feeling
他
a
有
little bit,
頭痛，
a little bit tired.
有點累啦。
With all the work, all the
啊
walking about and the eating and everything, so
吃得太多，走得太多，有點
maybe you
累
can
啊
help me.。
嗯。
打一下麦。
I think your pulse please.
All
Yeah.
right, okay. You see my tongue?
OK。中医就是看阴和阳啊。
嗯。
阳呢就是热，
对，
比较重啊，阴是寒，它是内里有点热，海底有点热气啊。
Okay.
Too much yang or something?
Yeah, too much yang. They say that your yin yang balance is not quite right, so you've got too much yang. So he's going to prescribe something which will help address
So explain the
the
yin and yang.
balance. Well, he said yang is basically heaty,
Yes.
and yin is cooling, and there's too much heatiness in your system.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
It's all the chilies and the curries I've been
可
eating
能
over
是
the
睡
past
觉
few
不
days.
好了，休息不够了，喝水喝的少了，造成热气上来了。
And also because you haven't rested enough, you know,
Uh-huh.
you've had too much.
So what is he prescribing for me?
Okay, 你要给他吃什么药呢？
跟吃一个天麻蒸鱼，蒸活鱼啊。
Okay, he's got a bunch of herbs called Tienma,
Yes.
and he's going to put it together with the fish, and he'll serve it in a dish.
帮着他血
Fish
循环，血循环
And it will help your blood circulation.
Good.
Yeah.
啊，祛风凉。
I'm glad about the fish because actually I hate all over. Ache all over. Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Mr. Curry.
Yes. What is this?
Oh, this is Chinese herb that this good for migraine. I will use this herb to steam fish.
Chinese herb. What's it called? Do you know what it's called?
This herb, a Chinese name called Tienma,
Okay.
and this is chuan xiong and fu ring.
Right.
And together with give steam fish. That's good for migraine.
They're all cooked together. Okay. And look at all these along here. What are these for? Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is
Oh.
exotic food.
Exotic.
Scorpion,
Yeah, oh,
and this is black ant. And scorpion also is good for migraine.
You're not serious.
Yeah.
You don't seriously serve scorpions and ants.
Ant is cure rheumatism.
Rheumatism. I haven't
Yeah.
got rheumatism.
Just prevention, no problem.
Prevention.
Yeah, prevention.
Yes. Okay. Fine. And the scorpion.
Scorpion is good for migraine and poison, cure poison. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Lovely. Yes. And what's along there? What's that? Is that a sort of old lizard or something?
This
What
is
is-
what kind of frog that's good for eczema?
I haven't got eczema. Definitely not.
They're also prevent, good for the lung
Vent.
also.
Yes. Okay. Lovely. And what else?
And this is the hawthorn and black plum. That's good for appetite and complexion.
Wow.
Renew your summer heat.
So basically, you've got every herb for
Yes,
practically every illness.
Because this is a herbal restaurant.
Yeah.
We have all the Chinese herb.
And do people actually come in and say, "I'll have the special with scorpions and ants"?
Yeah, because this is very healthy.
Yes.
Prevention.
Yeah. Okay. And you sure need all those? Maybe just one ant or a little bit of scorpion. Wouldn't that be enough? I need all those.
Okay.
You sure about that?
Yeah, no problem.
Marvellous. I feel worse than when I came in. Oh, Paul, help. He's recommended I have ants and scorpions. I can't believe
It's
that.
the house speciality. I see.
Oh, look at these. There's more ants. Oh, no.
It's not caviar, although it looks like it.
Oh.
These are kept in rice wine, and they're a special cultured kind of ants. They're not any
So
old
they're not
ants.
crawling around the kitchen? then
No,
you
no, no, no. They're
kill them and put them
specially
in-
cultured ants.
Oh, put them over there, please. Sorry, excuse me. I know they're very...
And the herbs here, the Tienma, will go together with your fish, and they'll be steamed.
What kind of fish is this?
It's a fish that's commonly eaten in Singapore. It's called tilapia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the fish can be
Yeah,
cooked.
together with the herbs, and
Okay,
it'll be
thank you. Lovely. Now, seriously, when people come to the Imperial restaurant, they don't have to see Dr. Lee first.
No,
do
of
they?
course not. I mean, this is just one of the dishes that they offer. They offer a whole range of things.
Right.
And this is like a kind of a signature dish,
Yeah.
which if you want, you can request for it.
But you
Yeah.
specialise in good, nutritious food.
Nutritious food
Yeah.
that comes from northern China.
Northern China.
That's where the food comes from, yes.
Okay, fine. Well,
Well, the chef is going to do a demonstration and he's going to deep fry some of the ants that you had
lovely.
moved.
Isn't it funny how you can lose your appetite when scorpions and ants are on the menu? Okay then, time for an ant.
Yes.
Would you care
Be
for?
my guest.
Just can't believe this. Oh, you're taking a few.
Oh, there's a bit of deep fried potato strips, I think, at the bottom.
Oh,
And
oh. It looks like they're crawling. I can't believe it.
no, they're deep fried. They're deep fried.
Do you know, it just tastes like ant. It's amazing. And now this. Oh, dear me.
The moment of reckoning.
Well, don't let's put you off coming to Singapore because it's a wonderful place. Oh, there's an ant on there, look, get rid of that. Do you know, I feel better. I really do. It's worked.
Come on, take your medicine like a man.
Okay.
All the way in.
Oh. Oh.
It's good for you.
Oh. Just look over there. It's amazing. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. It really was. Gorgeous.
Glad
Thank
you liked
so much.
it.
Lovely, lovely.